What is up YouTube? It is your boy. Today we're looking at a pair of Jordan 1 Highs, a pair of Jordan 1 Highs that I found very frustrating. What I found frustrating was trying to get them. So I entered every raffle under the sun. I mean, if there was a raffle for this colorway, I was in it and I took L after L after L. But that wasn't what frustrated me as part of the sneaker game. What frustrated me was the fact that I took all of these L's to later find out that many stores actually didn't shift all of their stock. They were on shelves for sale. Every store that I visited that it was on sale at just wasn't in my size. Now the colorway just stuck with me. I love the colors and I had to take the dive. Actually, that's a full-on lie. I didn't take the dive. Last month, it was my birthday. I don't know if I mentioned that. I turned the ripe old age of 21. And if you believe that, you'll believe anything. And somebody was looking out for me. They heard my pleas and they dropped me off a pair in my size. So today, what are we looking at? We're looking at the Jordan 1 Hi in the Brotherhood Colourway. Let's get into it. What is up, people? It is your boy, it's your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the lifestyle surgeon, aka Dr. Vassell, aka Wayne, coming back at you again with another sneaker review. But if you're an OG, you'd know that. And if you're an OG coming back, I gotta say love. I'm sending you love like you're showing me love, because your support helps a brother grow. And if you're a newbie, I've gotta say thanks for stopping by and welcome, welcome, welcome to Crep Check, the place where, you guessed it, we check out everything crep related. Today, like I said, we are looking at a clean pair of Jordan 1 Highs that I tried hard to get at retail, took many an L, and then because it was my birthday, somebody was kind enough to drop me off a pair. What colorway am I talking about? I am talking about the Jordan 1 Hi in the Brotherhood colorway. Now, as you know we like to do, let's start at the box, because that's part of the unboxing experience. Now, what you notice from the box is it's pretty typical of a Jordan 1 Hi. The colors are, ubiquitous. The colors are similar to what you'd see on other Jordan 1s. We have the black body with the red Nike tick and Nike logo, and then we have the underneath telling us about their logos and don't do naughty things with them, otherwise you might get smacked wrists. Now, if we look at the tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the University Gold Light Bordeaux colorway, also known as the OG Brotherhood. The colorway of this sneaker is inspired, if you didn't know, by the fraternity that Jordan was a part of, the Omega Psi Phi fraternity. Without further ado then, let's pop the hood. When we pop the hood, we are greeted by, pretty standard wrapping paper. Nothing jumps out about that. But as you can see, part of the sneaker is showing, and that does jump out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the Jordan 1 Highs in the Brotherhood colorway. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are thinking. So what are my first impressions? My first impressions are I really like them. I like them for several reasons, but the two that stand out to me is number one, the color palette. The color of kind of an orangey yellow against this kind of rich purple, and the white go together beautifully. It is a loud color, but they've managed to blend it in a way that doesn't make it feel so loud. The color of this sneaker also reminds me of sweets. It reminds me of like refreshers. It just gives me sweet vibes. It's mad how sweet my tooth is. The other thing I like about this sneaker is the materials feel super, super quality. It just feels premium. Let's get into it proper. They have thrown in some extra laces. We've got 3 laces. We've got the purple, we've got the yellow and the white. Starting at the outsole has the typical Jordan 1 pattern. Nothing different. The color is pow. It is that yellowy orange color that is around the body, and it's bright, vibrant. When we then come to the lateral aspect of the sneaker, we have the outsole, which is that yellowy orange color, into the bright white midsole, and then we hit the upper, which is made of leather throughout. Going into the specific details, we have the main paneling in that white, which has the leather purple, or they call it light Bordeaux, Nike tick, that just jumps beautifully on that background of white. As we continue to progress up, we hit the Jordan logo embossed in the purple or the light Bordeaux against that bright yellow orange backdrop. Focusing in on this panel and this panel, we have kind of a partial crocodile effect of the leather there, which gives it texture, gives it body, gives it character, elevates this sneaker that little bit further rather than just having, you know, good old plain leather. Now, when we come more superiorly behind this panel, we have that light Bordeaux purple. If I was to create fraternity, these would be the colors I would choose. When we look anteriorly at the sneaker, we have the outsole, midsole, toe tip, which brings together all of the colors that feature in this sneaker. We have the yellow outsole, white midsole, and the purple toe tip, with this leather being very premium feeling, not like the yellow leather, which is premium feeling. I mean, in texture wise, this leather is just smooth. Whereas the leather that, as we go up to the toe box, you notice has that cracked, not cracked, I'm going to rescind those words. It has the crocodile-like skin effect. Continuing to progress up the sneaker, we have one laced, as Jordans like to do, in this purple color. I really do like the color, and I think I'm going to do my usual crazy stuff that I like to do and lace one up purple. And if I didn't get this wrong, yes, I was right. There is also yellow, so I'm probably going to go for a purple yellow collab. We still have this premium feeling purple light Bordeaux leather for the shoelace inlets, and then we have this tongue, which has the usual padding we'd expect from a Jordan 1, and come into the Nike ear, which has basically the 2 standout colors of the sneaker, that purple and yellowy orange. When we go to the ankle inlet, as I mentioned, we have purple or light Bordeaux with bags of cushioning that you'd expect from a Jordan 1. I love Jordan 1s for that fact, is that they're just so comfortable. Look inside, and we have an insole, quite a beautiful insole. This insole is the same color as the outsole, insole, outsole. They are both that yellowy orange color with the Nike Air in the light Bordeaux purple. Then if we look at the medial aspect of this sneaker, I'm going to say it is not that different from the lateral aspect. So I'm going to give you a moment just to appreciate how beautiful it is, and then we're going to move on. Posteriorly, we have, again, the colors that feature throughout the sneaker. What I do love about Jordans that makes them so aesthetically pleasing to the eye is the way that the panels meet up at the back. And when the colors come together, you know, you can stack up your Jordan 1s from the posterior, from the back, and they just look beautiful together. They like sing like a choir. And this sneaker is a great example of how the different colors come together on the body of the sneaker and how they feature on the back. And not only do I really like the blocking of the colors, in addition, I really like the fact that they have gone for different styles of leather. So this posterior, inferior portion of leather is still having that almost crocodile-like feature. It's kind of faded, like they're fading it in, but it's really prominent up here. It gives the sneaker texture, character, bags and bags of it, if I'm being honest. So what's your boy's final impressions? Well, my final impressions are, as you probably figured, because most of the sneakers I tend to buy are sneakers I actually like the look of. I really like them. The standout features that make me like this sneaker are the colors. The color palette is beautiful. They work together really, really well. Therefore, it gives this sneaker a very standout, I'm unique look and feel. The materials feel premium. The leather in the right parts is soft and also has texture with the crocodiling effect throughout. Lots of the yellow portions and the fading of the crocodile effect at the back. All in all, a clean example of a Jordan 1 Hi. Okay people, if you've enjoyed this video, do your boy a solid and drop me a like, because you know your likes help me to continue to grow this channel. And in addition, while you're there, why not slide across to that button, click subscribe so you don't miss future crep check videos. People, it has been a wave. I'm sending you love. Life Surge out. Peace.